how we do it, huh? Yeah, pretty sick. Breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles and bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad, I should be a savage. Who would have thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls than not strange. Sing. Of my pictures, I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. Think retail therapy, my new addiction. Whoever said money can solve your problem, they say which one I say. Happiness is the same. You seen it? If it ain't money, then wrong number. Black card is my business card. The way you be setting the tone for me, I don't need a brag, but I'll be like, put it in a bag. When you see them rise, this I go like my ass, yeah. Step on the store to the booth, take it all back in one loop. Give me the loot, never mind, I got the juice. But they money when we shoot. Look at my neck, look at my check. Ain't got enough money to pay me respect. Ain't no budget when I'm on the set. Shit.